Why don't we do 2 minutes or something?
I don't know. But probably because I got some on there already. What is it, Ching Chow? Are you happy? Really? Daddy's shirt. Oh gosh. I ain't even give her catnip yet. This is before the catnip. Ew, go! Nah. Yeah, she just rolls and tumbles for a long time. Ew, go! Ching Chow! Ching Chow! Hey, Ching Chow! Yo, baby, boo head.
Where's my other cigarettes?
I already put them in. I already got them all straightened out. Hello, what's up? Are you done?
Yeah, she's scratching it out.
I hope it took.